Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Many people wonder if they can hyperlink a calendar invite directly in Outlook. The answer is yes, you absolutely can create a link to a calendar invite. This is very useful for sharing meeting details without forwarding the entire invite, making communication cleaner. Here's how you do it. First, open the specific calendar invite you want to hyperlink in your Outlook calendar. Once the full invite window is open, click on the File tab, located in the top left corner. From the options, select Save As. In the Save As a dialog box, choose a location on your computer. Make sure the Save As type dropdown is set to iCalendar format, the ICS. Give your file a clear name and click Save. You now have an ICS file on your computer. This file holds all the meeting details. To make it a clickable hyperlink, you need to upload this ICS file to a shared cloud storage service. Common options include OneDrive, SharePoint, Google Drive, or Dropbox. Once uploaded, generate a shareable link specifically for that ICS file from your cloud service. This generated link is the hyperlink you need. Finally, simply paste this shareable URL into an email, a document, or even the description of another calendar invite. When recipients click this link, it will download the ICS file, allowing them to easily add the original meeting to their own calendar with all the correct details. It's a professional and efficient way to share meeting information.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.